Finally, you've arrived at the year that drew you to medical school to begin with, the third year clerkships.
Baby, this is what you came for.
But even after 3 days of intense orientation, you will have learned only about 5% of what you need to succeed on the wards. So before you go running off into the hospital, we should sit down and probably talk about a few things.
Talk about it, talk about it, talk about it.
Third year is a big transition. This is you as a first and second year medical student. Happy, organized, and following a simple class schedule. This is you once you hit the wards. And this is you when you hit the wards. This is you when you hit the wards. The key to your success during third year is finding the right balance between studying for the shelf exam and being a proactive part of your inpatient team. Now that may seem obvious, but it'll get trickier, especially when you encounter something called
difficult team dynamics.
Regardless of the situation, it will be your job to remain upbeat, motivated, and excited to be part of the team. The phrase, "fake it till you make it," will become your mantra. And don't let a good relationship with your team fool you either. It all comes down to your final evaluations.
Stefan's performance on this clerkship was excellent. We encourage him to consider a career in this specialty. Final grade, pass.
There are also a number of rules that come along with being a third year medical student. One of the most important is to
Never, ever, ever.
wear misty green scrubs outside the hospital. And another rule, never, ever, ever take food from the nourishment room. And I've said it before, Lorna Doones are Allow me to demonstrate. This is your brain. This is your brain on Lorna Doones. That's all for today. Don't forget about the corridors of safety.